Good evening, my name is Diana Manguru, and today we're going to talk about closing out a project. First of all, the close out checklist. Now that we're on the final phase, we should go ahead and create a closeout checklist. The key components of the final checklist are as follows: verification acceptance of final project deliverables, post project assessment, review and evaluation, lesson learned, recognize or celebrate outstanding work, disperse project resources, complete final project record, and last one, transfer of knowledge. Verifying acceptance and final project deliverables. This signifies that the customer, the U.S. Army, and both the special and ground forces agreed that the final scope of the project and its deliverables have been completed, delivered as agreed on by both parties. While this is the first step, it is critical and an important one. Post-project assess, review, and evaluation. A post-project assessment is where SuperPAC assess the project, lesson learned will be drawn from this in positive and negative experiences. A post-project review is a record of the project's timeline or a history of the project in general. It contains written documentation of the plan versus actual budget, the schedule baseline and actual schedule recommendation for one project, and more. A post-project evaluation evaluate these as well, bringing into mind the project success, project problem, and new ideas that help make the project successful. Lesson learned. Lesson learned is a session or a meeting that includes the theme, stakeholder representation with external oversight, auditor, and more. Executive management, maintenance and operations staff, project support staff, questions about project meeting, the requirement, customer satisfaction, schedule, and budget met, risk mitigated, and what could be done if anything needs to improve. Recognize and celebrating outstanding work. This is a celebration for completing the project with positive reinforcement that can prove regarding to the team. When closing out, we recognize the team, the entire team, because if it were not for them, we would have not completed this project. Complete final project records. Completing the project records is one thing. Achieving it's another. This record should be stored both hard copies and electronically according to the guidelines. Records will be turned over to the personnel responsible for maintaining and operating the system or the program after it was deployed. Transfer of knowledge. Once all that I've said and done, plan for transferring knowledge where it is appropriate to those who continue to operations. Verifying project scope, contracts, administration. In addition, we verify the project scope and then turned out well as finishing up contracts with our customers and contractors as we closed out this project. We would close it out as objective, completes, phase closed, and at the end of the project. All that and the agreement are met and the customer is satisfied. We then celebrate our achievements. Best closeout process. Best closed out process I would use is a phase closeout, where we use the closing process to take over a phase period of time, and we ensure that the sponsor understand and support the closeout. After that, we celebrate rewarding and recognizing the team responsible for successfully inventing the super packs, meeting schedule deadlines, and making the project a complete success. Control process. This direction taken is being successful so that our customers can spread the word of super packs and we can get more projects started. Thank you.